Hi, this is Lisa with Inspire to Thrive. Today I wanted to talk about browsers and search engines and knowing the difference. A lot of folks use Google as their browser. You can see the Chrome icon here. You can see I'm signed in so they know everything you're doing when you're searching online with this browser. There are other browsers you may be familiar with. For example, there is Microsoft. And Microsoft has their own browser. It's usually installed in most computers, unless you have an Apple. And they have their own news and everything on here. Again, you can sign in as well. So those are two browsers. The other one I wanted to introduce you to is called Brave. And Brave does not track what you do online. So a lot of people that are concerned about privacy use Brave for their browser. There are times you may need to use Google Chrome if you're doing website work or certain projects, but you can start to transfer over to Brave if you are concerned about privacy. So those are some options for you, and you'll be able to read more about it on my blog post. The next thing I wanted to share was the actual search engines. So if you're on Google, everyone knows the Google search engine. Number one, has the most market share. But this year, some things have changed over the past year. The rise of DuckDuckGo. A lot of people wanted to use DuckDuckGo because, as you see, it says privacy simplified. So a lot of folks were using DuckDuckGo. I noticed that my traffic to the blog was coming from DuckDuckGo, which made me want to do this video for other bloggers, other people with websites, business sites, so that they could be familiar with them, so that they knew if they found these in their stats. Another one that's been around a long time that's really the best private, if you're concerned about privacy, is called StopPage. And you can see the world's most private search engine, and from what I've researched, that is true. They've been around, I believe, like 20 years, and I've started using them more. Another one, I like to throw this one in because a lot of people do care about the planet. It's Escosy, and every time people do searches, they try to plant trees. So this is a different one as well, and they do care about privacy. As you can see, they have privacy friendly. They don't sell data to advertisers and no third-party trackers, but they analyze the searches within 1 week, where the others, I believe, are as it happens. So I just wanted to make you aware of different browsers that you could use out there when you're searching, or if you're seeing traffic, because I was getting traffic from this one which I hadn't heard of. So I did a little research, and again, you'll be able to see it all on the blog of Inspire to Thrive. If you're not sure what browser, these buttons right here, you can see that's the Microsoft, that's Brave, and that is Google. So if you're not sure which one you're on when you click on it, that's Microsoft, that's Brave, and that's Google. I know a lot of folks have questions about that, so I wanted to share that. And if you ever need to clear your cache, you go to More Tools, Clear Browsing Data, and when you're there, just make sure that you do not delete the cookies, because then you'll lose a lot of your, I just do the cache, image, and files. If you do the cookies, you're going to lose all your passwords. You may sometimes want to delete the download history, browsing history, etc. But the cached images, that's something you should often clear, especially if you're doing work on a website. So those are the tips today. I hope they've been helpful. Any questions, please leave a comment on the video. Thank you. Have a great day.